everyone. So today we are going to discuss about this flip-flop. This is a set and reset flip-flop. Okay, so first we will discuss to you how this one works. Okay, so first, as you could see, this one is 0 and 0. This is normal, so it means now everything is normal here. Okay, the plant is running normal. Okay, so as you could see, guys, if there is some problem, let's say if this one 02 LLS 002, okay, so if there is a low level coming here, so this one will become 0. So what will happen? 0, this one will become 1, so it will reset. So it will give you an output 0, so it will give you an indication of trip. Okay, so trip. So in event of there is trip, you cannot reset this one, but actually this one is reset, but here is set. You cannot set this one unless the input will become normal. Let's say if the level already okay now, so it means you have 1 here, then it becomes 0 here. Only that time you can set, but actually there is reset button there, so you can set this one and then everything will become normal. So this one will become 1. Okay, guys, so to finalize how this one works, like this one, if you want to set this one should come 0. When there is 0 here, then you can set. Okay, but in event that there is 1 here, if you get 1 here, the output will become 0 here. Okay, so it means you can only set this one if all the input are okay, because we have a NOT here. Okay, guys, so this is how this flip-flop works, set and reset. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.